driving the truck.
We actually prefer to drive the truck. The gas mileage is so different.
Yeah.
So I guess
without the trailer, it would be 10 miles to the gallon.
Right. And in Oregon, gas is just ridiculously high right now. So my parents graciously offered their car. We're gonna go pick up my pseudo sister, and we're gonna head out for the day.
What, the shirt? Yeah.
Would I be a trader if I bought something?
Yes.
I'm sporting my... So glad to see you. Hi.
Okay. Wendy has her cheese.
I got it. It's really good. They're yummy. They're here if you want it.
Yum?
Yeah.
That yummy cheese curds.
Look how cool! You look just like Chase.
Paw Patrol.
Yeah.
Wait for them to do their own thing, and I wouldn't have my life any other way.
probably pepper jack cheese.
Yep.
Cheese is my favorite food, so we're in my happy place.
Jeez Louise.
Sorry about that. Let these guys go.
Oh, I see maybe either pepper jack or cheddar over there. One of the two.
But now they're going so dry. Yeah. And it's got the specs in it. It still has. Oh yeah, they're all individually wrapped. So I was wrapped with them. Oh really? Oh wait, like I'm that's what I mean. I just look at. Do you want it? Oh,
Okay, give me a tour. We know how to get there.
you know how to get there?
Where are we going?
We were going to the beach.
We are.
It's really not that cold out. It's just there's some mosquitoes right here. So I put up my hoodie to de-mosquito me.
Right. Following the fam down to the beach, watching the kids.
Okay. So beautiful. So beautiful.